Hi. So here's how to use jotforms. It's another thing you could use to, okay, let me just fill this images crosswalks. Okay, these are crosswalks, RFI, cars, where else? Okay, these are the cars, RFI. So here we are, jotforms. This is how jotforms looks like. It is a very simple, easy tool to make a form. So well, let me look for something else like this. Let me okay, no. Let me delete this one, and then let me delete this form, then I'll create another form. So okay, yes, okay, I'll go back. So I'm going to start from here, create form. It's a very simple, easy thing to create a form, and you send your, or you want to do a survey, you could also use it for a survey. Thing is, when you're creating a website, you could actually include it. Use HTML, you could actually include it using HTML or JavaScript, whichever way. It's quite easy to integrate with other applications. So let's create a form. If you want all questions on one page or single question per page, depending on the kind of thing we want to create. So let's go for the single questionnaire per page. Create a form. So what kind of form do we want to create? Use template, import form, or you want to import the form from somewhere else. Or you could create, just click on the blank form, create. So the kind of form we want to create is, say, business, and we click on create. Okay, my browser is taking a bit of a time, some time. So here we go. You click on add form elements. It gives you, well, we'll give it a section head, digital skills, then I'll go to the next. I'll add another thing down, which is full name. I want it to have, okay, this is full name, first name, last name. Then maybe I want to create an email address for the kind of form I want to create. Then, or I want to go down to my date picker. This is how it looks. Then, or I want to go to my drop downs. Here, drop down, then I can fill in, please select maybe for example a digital okay, marketing, and we create another option, social media, what else? Okay, search engine. So this is how it works. It's really easy and simple to understand. Marketing, social media, search engine. So we could even have a yes or no option, single option. So we'll dismiss this. This gives you another ability to design your form. You could actually design it the way you want it. Here's how it works. So after everything, we'll simply go to publish. here, copy the link, or we could open it in a new tab. So we just say copy the link, for example, and then I go and paste it on my, I could paste it on my email, and send it to people to fill. So when they get it in their email box, it appears just as a link like this, and they can just click on it and fill in. The rest is history. Hope this was explanatory enough. Bye now. Take care.